warm in here. Too warm for you, Bubba.
Oh yeah,
You
the
almost
heater.
stuck your nose in my mouth.
The heater just kicked on.
Yeah.
Right there.
He almost stuck his nose in my mouth. Go get Carla. What's with this reverse gearing all of a sudden? Go get Carla. Tell Ben to hang up.
He was getting bored and going out and drifting the plow truck.
Go get Carla.
Hey, mister.
He's bringing the rest of him over there, Carla.
Oh, you know I'm distracted on the phone now. You're gonna come over here and try to get into stuff. Is that how this works, mister? We got Chewy out. Yeah. You have a cat hair on your face, Chewy. Give me. He wanted nothing to do with me, but now that I'm on the phone and distracted, he thinks he can sneak over me to the freaking desk. Now he's trying to take Mom's phone. And now he's going back to Mom.
Always back to Mom. Always comes back to Mama. You just won't leave Mama alone for anything, will you? Gotta be on me all the time. He'll go see you, but he won't stay with you.
He's holding on to my arm with his tail.
Is he?
Mm-hmm.
I think it looks
Yeah, I
better
guess we're
like
supposed to be getting quite a bit more snow tonight.
He's gotta be the biggest coastal carpet python in the country. I guarantee
Yeah,
you.
because it's been pretty warm out and it's been raining.
Where are you going now?
It rained in Oneida
I got
and
you.
it rained at my mom's all day. I don't know about out there.
I got you. Where are you going? You don't need to go over there.
Oh, he feels the heater.
Yeah, I don't
I
want
gotta
him
figure out what's
near
wrong
the
with my
heat.
gas mileage.
There.
23.9. It hasn't gone above that since the other day when I sent you that picture.
Tell him
It
when you
goes
go
down
home.
a little bit and then it comes.
Oh, I got your tab. You turn the flash off again.
Yeah.
I'm glad I have strong legs.
Back to me again. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Chewy's got like half of his weight on my feet, and I just have my legs up so that he doesn't end up.
He
on
makes
the
your
floor.
legs look teeny.
Yeah. he's, about,
Don't let him near Apollo.
he's about as big around as one of my calves.
He is. He's as big as my thigh.
Come here, mister.
Back to Mama. Say, let me go. I'm going to my mom's.
He's roaming. Alrighty. We'll see you in a bit. Bye.
He's so big. I just can't believe the size of this guy. Where's he going?
He's right there.
Okay.
He ain't going far.
What, Ben's already at home?
No, he just left work. He's going to check a couple places to see if he can find some pallets.
For what?
The basement.
What do you mean?
We're building a giant room for me to live in
What are you using pallets down there for?
to build the wall.
Well, that and to build a floor up
We're
off
Donald
the
You
floor.
got him?
Yeah, he's fine.
Okay.
We're Donald Trumping the place. We're building walls.
Well, we're gonna put pallets down and then plywood on top of that and probably
For a
insulate
floor?
underneath it. Yeah, because it's got a concrete floor.
Most basements do.
But the concrete floor is cold, so
Very, very cold, especially in wintertime.
I figure plywood,
And
insulation, and
There's a
or-
snake that lives down there somewhere.
How you figure?
April was telling me about it.
I don't think it's down there anymore.
She's found several of his sheds down there over the past year.
Oh, awesome.
She
Don't lay
loves
near a
animals. She goes down to the ponds down there by her house just to go watch
Who
the
is she?
snakes. And Ben's mom.
Oh, okay. Her name's April?
Mhm.
Oh, yeah. You can put him back in if you want to. He's huffing a little. If you point his head toward the snake cage, he'll go back in there by himself. Look, give your mother the camera, Ava.
Here, I'll take him.
Camera. Take the camera.
Just stick his
I
head
got
in the door, he'll go. He is so long, he just never stops. Look at this. Somebody's looking for Jasmine. Smart,
He's like,
isn't he?
hello? Did you think you had me in here?
There's nothing underweight about that boy.
Oh, hell no. Come on, boy.
And he's pure muscle.
I can't fold you. I'll hurt you.
He usually will do a little.
Look at all the muscles flexing in his belly.
He'll usually try to roll over on his back to come back